In this video, we will be doing algebra from geometry. As always, the algebra comes from the geometry of the problem. So here we go. Triangle ZXC is isosceles with base ZC. Find x and y. So first thing, if we have an isosceles triangle with base ZC, that means angle Z is congruent to angle C, and ZX is congruent to XC. So if we have here ZX is 3x plus 3, and CX is 6x minus 12, then the measure of angle Z is 5y plus 5, and the measure of angle C is 6y minus 4. So we've got two unknowns, we'll need two equations. It's not a system because we can make one equation with just x and one equation with just y. So first, 3x plus 3 equals 6x minus 12. Moving the 3x over, we got 3x on this side. Moving the 12 over, we got 15. So x equals 5. Now in red, plugging back in, 3 times 5 is 15 plus 3 is 18. 6 times 5 is 30 minus 12 is 18 again. So we have our check on that one. Now, these two angles, we've got 5y plus 5 equals 6y minus 4. Now moving over the 5y, we get y. Moving over the 4, we get 9. Y equals 9. So again, in red, 45 plus 5, we get 50 degrees. And then plugging y back in here, we get 54 minus 4. So that is, again, 50 degrees. And that is our check. As always, make your equations. You get your equations from the geometry of the problem. Solve for your variables. Plug them back in and do your check, and you're good.